Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 10th of April, 2018. Taking a look at our homework. First and foremost, all Blizzard bags are due tomorrow. You have had 3 complete weeks to do that, including a week of spring break. There is absolutely zero reason in the world you should not have all of that completed. In math, you get the Alex packet number 3. We need to be looking over it, making any corrections that you would like before grading it out this week. In science, there's an optional review, History of the Earth quiz, and that is tomorrow. I recommend doing the optional review because I know the last couple times Ms. Falk has given extra credit for those that have completed and done well on it. In social studies, if you're in period 6 or 7, you need to do the Atlas worksheet number 6. In language arts, you can review for our state testing by playing the quizzes game. Remember, if you can beat Mrs. Murray's high score, you will earn extra credit. And then in literature, you need to read AR because half our points are due on Friday, April 20th. And you can also review your reading terms and definitions on Quizlet. That's it for this evening. Make it a good one.